So have you noticed that automobile advertising isn't boasting about the lowest prices and payments anymore these days? Weird? No, not really. Sunset's been telling you the truth about automobile bait-and-switch price advertising for years. The truth is that no dealership has a competitive advantage in pricing or payments. The vehicles all cost the dealers the same. So logic should tell you that all the prices are about the same too. And now that there's not as many vehicles available, auto dealers have nothing to switch you to. So all that deceptive advertising is nothing more than a bad memory. Maybe that's why the Sunset Auto family has never done better than they are right now. Because now people know what Sunset has been saying all along. It's not what you pay, it's what you get for your money that counts. And you just get more from Sunset. Oil changes for life and warranty protection for life. Sunset exclusives that'll save you hundreds every year and maybe thousands down the road. Extras that other dealers just won't provide. And Sunset loves that. Because you just get more from Sunset. And people do like that.